Hey guys, Justin Boyson here with Prosperity Prospecting. I was excited. I done a little post because we were going to get to go on the first mining trip of the season. Got some information today from a friend of mine up there that still quite a bit of snow, and the chances of us getting up there were pretty slim. So just trying to make the best of the time that I have here to still be moving forward with everything we're doing. So what I'm doing, I just want to show you guys doing a little bit of upkeep on my K&M crusher. Took both bearings out, got new bearings that I'm fixing to install, and showed you guys what I did to the chains because I was tired of replacing those every 3 or 4 days. I put some rebar on there and put a good solid super hot weld on there, and it still looks really good after that's been ran probably 2 weeks or more. Quite a bit of ore, so no knock against the machine. I like the machine, does a great job for my small stuff when I don't need to crush a lot of material in one run, but it's great for testing and things like that. So just want to cut a short video just to kind of show you guys what we're going to be doing to make good use of our time, and can't wait to cut you guys some videos out live in the field actually mining. So with that said, hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next video.